Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. I hope you are finding this previous year question series useful. In this video, we are going to cover the remaining questions of Companies Act which have come over the past 3 years. We have already covered question number 1 to 25 in the part 1. In this video, we are starting with 26th question. When a company needs additional capital and keeps the voting rights of shareholders proportionally balanced, the correct answer here is A, issues rights shares. This is section 62 of the Companies Act. Question 27. Sweat equity shares cannot be given to. The correct answer here is A, public at large. This is as per section 2 subsection 88 of Companies Act. Question 28. Which is the appellate tribunal for hearing the appeals from the orders of National Company Law Tribunal? Correct answer is C, National Company Law Appellate Tribunal, as per section number 2 subsection 4 of Companies Act. Question 29. Who can authenticate the documents filed by a company to the registrar? The correct answer here is B, directors. As per Rule 8 of Authentication of Documents of Companies, Registration of Offices and Fees Rules 2014, an electronic form shall be authenticated by authorized signatories using digital signature. It is the responsibility of authorized signatories or professionals signing the form to ensure that all the documents and relevant information relating to the documents is authentic. Question number 30. As per the Companies Act, a non-profit organization can get itself registered without the addition of the word dash to the satisfaction of central government. The correct answer here is C, private limited company. This is as per section 8, formation of companies with charitable objects. Question 31. If the Articles of Company does not provide for the appointment of first director, dash shall be deemed to be the first directors of the company. Correct answer here is C, subscribers to the memorandum. This is as per section 152, appointment of directors. Question 32. Every company shall have at least one director who stays in India for a total period of not less than 182 days. The correct answer here is A, during the financial year. This is as per section 149, appointment of directors. Question 33. When can debentures be converted into shares? The correct answer here is B, at the time of redemption. This is as per section 71, debentures. Question 34. The advertisement of prospectus of a company shall specify therein the correct answer here is E, contents of memorandum of association. This is given in section 30, advertisement of prospectus. Question 35. The Investors Education and Protection Fund is created by dash and under dash. The correct answer here is A, by central government under Companies Act. This is as per section 125, Investor Education and Protection Fund. Question 36. A company may issue sweat equity shares of a class of shares already issued if authorized by special resolution which shall specify. The correct answer here is E, both B and C, which shall specify the current market price and total number of shares which are going to be issued. This is as per section 54, issue of sweat equity shares. Question 37. In case of vacancy in the office of key managerial personnel, it shall be filled up by the dash within a period of dash. The correct answer here is C, by the board within a period of 6 months. This is given in section number 203, appointment of key managerial personnel. Question 38. A shelf prospectus is filed with the registrar dash and shall indicate a period dash as the period of validity of such prospectus, which shall commence from the date of opening of the first offer of securities under that prospectus. The correct answer here is E. A shelf prospectus is filed with the registrar at the stage of first offer of securities and shall indicate a period not exceeding 1 year. This is given under section 31, shelf prospectus. Question 39. A company which has been in existence for dash cannot contribute any amount directly or indirectly to any political party. The correct answer here is A, less than 3 financial years. This is section 182, prohibition and restrictions regarding political contributions. Question 40. A dormant company is a company. Correct answer here is D, all of the above. A dormant company is a company formed and registered under the Companies Act for a future project or to hold an asset or intellectual property. Company which has no significant accounting transaction, inactive company. This is given under section number 455, dormant company. Question 41. A company may issue fully paid up bonus shares to its members from. The correct answer here is A, capital redemption reserve account. Section 63 talks about issue of bonus shares. Question 42. A special court may, if it thinks fit, try in a summary way any offence under the Companies Act which is punishable with. The correct answer here is A, imprisonment for a term exceeding 1 year. This is as per section 436, offences triable by special courts. Question number 43. As per Section 25 of the Companies Act, what constitutes evidence that an allotment of securities was made with a view to the securities being offered for sale to the public? Correct answer here is B. If an offer is made within 6 months after the allotment or agreement to allot. This is as per Section 25. Document containing offer of securities for sales to be deemed prospectus. Question 44. Which of the following is true relating to shelf prospectus? The correct answer here is D. All A, B, C are true. Shelf prospectus is filed with the registrar at the stage of first offer of securities. It is valid for a period of 1 year from the date of opening of first offer of securities under the prospectus. Any information memorandum containing all material facts relating to new charges created, changes in the financial position of company as have occurred between the first offer and succeeding offer of securities is required to be filed by the company. This is section number 31, shelf prospectus. Question 45. According to the provisions of Companies Act, the amount of dividend, including interim dividend, shall be deposited in a scheduled bank in a separate account within, the correct answer here is within 5 days from the date of declaration of such dividend. This is section 123, declaration of dividend. Question 46. Every company shall, at the first annual general meeting, appoint an individual or a firm as an auditor who shall, the correct answer here is C, hold office from the conclusion of that meeting till the conclusion of its sixth annual general meeting and thereafter till the conclusion of every sixth meeting. This is as per section number 139, appointment of auditors. Question 47. As per the provision of Companies Act, the IEPF shall be credited with. The correct answer here is B, both A and C. Donations by the state government for the purposes of the fund. Amount in the unpaid dividend account of companies transferred to the fund. This is section 125, Investor Education and Protection Fund. Question 48. According to the Companies Act provisions, dash means such capital as is authorized by the memorandum of a company to be the maximum amount of share capital of the company. The correct answer here is A, nominal capital or authorized capital as defined in section 2 subsection 8. Question 49. Where a company is formed and registered under this act for a future project or to hold an asset or intellectual property and has no significant accounting transaction, such a company or an inactive company, it is called dormant company, may make an application for obtaining the status of a dormant company, may make an application to the registrar for obtaining the status of dormant company. You can read all the options. Correct answer here is B, may make an application to the registrar for obtaining the status of dormant company. Section 455 talks about dormant company. Question 50. According to Section 96 of the Companies Act, the annual general meeting of an unlisted company may be held at any place in India if. The correct answer here is C. Consent is given in writing or by electronic mode by all the members in advance. This is Section 96, Annual General Meeting. Question 51. Where a resolution is passed at an adjourned meeting of a company, the resolution shall for all purposes be treated as. The correct answer here is C. Having been passed on the date on which it was in fact passed and shall not be deemed to have been passed on any earlier date. This is Section 116, Resolutions passed at adjourned meeting. Question 52. No company limited by shares shall, after the commencement of Companies Act, issue any preference shares which are, the correct answer here is irredeemable. So limited by shares company cannot issue any preference shares which are irredeemable. This is section 55, issue and redemption of preference shares. Question 53. According to Companies Act, the registrar or inspector shall return the books and papers seized as soon as may be and in any case dash to the company from whom custody or power such books or papers were seized. The correct answer here is D, not later than 180th days after such seizure. So registrar or inspector can keep the documents for a maximum period of 180 days. This is section number 209, search and seizure. So these are all the questions that have come from Companies Act over the past 3 years. If you are preparing for SEBI Legal, you need any form of guidance, preparation material, you can check out our SEBI Legal online course. In 2023, 12 of our students got selected as SEBI Legal officers and iExamB has been contributing in the successful journeys of many candidates over the past 3 years. That's all in this video. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.